Hello and welcome to Simply Solve's video training series. In this session we're going to talk about downloading and installing the LiAM application from our website to your desktop. So go ahead and open up the LiAM website at simplysolve.com and go to the free trial page. Read through our requirements, our disclaimer, and then click here to download the LiAM folder to your desktop. Once the application completes downloading, go ahead and select it and then open it. Copy the LiAM folder to your desktop and then close the open screen. At this point we no longer need the website, so we can close it. Now we're going to left-click, double-click the LiAM folder to open the folder. Within the LiAM folder, you have a production folder which contains your database. You also have a training folder that you can go ahead and practice in. And you have a reports folder which has some templates for reporting, as well as a user guide and our upload template for bulk uploading into LiAM. There's also the user interface within the folder. Go ahead with your left mouse button, click the file, and just drag it over to your desktop. At this point we can close the LiAM folder. We're going to talk about operation. If you're operating this by yourself, you can leave the LiAM folder right here on your desktop. Although, if you have a network that is being backed up, we recommend that you keep the LiAM folder on a network location. Not only will this become part of your backup routine, but it will also make LiAM available to others that may want to use the application. So we're going to drag it to a simulated network folder. Alright, at this point we're going to go ahead and double-click the LiAM user interface. You'll be presented with a screen that says click here to connect to the LiAM backend. Go ahead and click here, and then we're going to navigate to that network folder. In this case I've simulated it on my desktop. I'm going to open up LiAM. I'm going to open up the production, and I'm going to open up the LiAM D1 file. Once LiAM connects to the backend database, you'll be presented with an end user license agreement. This describes the terms and conditions for using our software. Once you've read through that, select I agree. You'll now be presented with an option for login. Most users who have a corporate network will have a network login name. If you do have a value that appears here, you can select Create and we'll authenticate you just by your username. But if this is blank, or you want to use a username and password, you'll need to change the login mode to manual. Here's where you can enter a password, a question, and an answer. But since most of us will be network authenticating, we're going to switch back to network and select Create. At this point, LiAM is creating your first account as the network administrator account. You'll have full permissions in the database to do everything that you can within LiAM. So this completes our segment on the download and installation of the LiAM application. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to call us at 833-TRY-LiAM or reach out on our website and use our support page to contact us.